Welcome back, folks. I've been doing a little bit of buying things this last week or so. I've got some handbrake quadrants, I've got some new bolts for the radius arm brackets, and I've got some new bolts for the back plates. This one's just bolted on for now with the old bolts, just to keep it all together. I was working on that in the week. I've got this arm built up. I'm going to swap the bolts out for these nice new ones. I've got this arm all built up. I'm waiting on a reaming tool to do the bush. That's coming in the post this week, hopefully. Then I can get that fitted to the car. I've got some brake hoses. Can't find my drums. I'm going to have to get some new ones, I think. So I'll be able to get them on. I need to get handbrake quadrants on, obviously. Now I did a silly. I needed another radius arm. I showed you in my last video the wear I found on the other radius arm. So I went out, found somebody selling one locally and bought it, which is this one here. But as you can see, that's the exact same side as the one I've got. So I bought the wrong one, which was rather foolish. So I've got to. I've been in touch with the guy. I'm going to pick up the other one at some point in the future. But I'm concentrating on getting this one built up first. I'll take you to the other end of the garage. I've also bought some wheels. 6x10 Wellers. They are the wheels that I want, so need a bit of work, a bit of cleaning up. Well, they're a set of 4, so they'll get cleaned up, painted, and some new rubber on them. I've also been quite busy this week. I've fitted the front to rear brake pipe. I fitted the valve at the back. That's tight. I'll just put these fittings in for now so I don't lose them and I know where they go. I've been cleaning up and painting these radius arm brackets, so they'll be good to go on when I get the reaming tool and can ream the radius arm. So I've been moving on with things quite well. I've just got to just been finishing off some bits of welding. I've been over a couple of bits, and today I'm hoping to, I don't know if I'll be able to show you the position the car's in. There's a piece on the A-pillar on the driver's side at the bottom that I'm just going to do a patch up today, so stick with it and we'll have another chat towards the end. Cheers, guys. I think the front end's going to be a bit more tricky. So I came out into the garage this evening to tidy up, and I ended up fitting a radius arm. I reamed out the bush and fitted that. Brake pipe's all on it, connected up. There's no drum on it. I've test fitted a wheel. I put a spacer in to give a look like with non-spacered drums, because at the moment I'm going through the original front hubs. Not going to do a disc conversion just yet, I don't think. But so that's one radius arm fitted. I've not fitted the trumpet and the cone because the arm doesn't quite drop far enough. So give an idea of the wheel fitment. They're 6x10 Wellers. They are. They need cleaning up still. After I did that, I got stuck into stripping apart this front hub. So that's all in bits. Going to clean all that up, get the old bearing out at some point. been bits like this, but I'm going to keep hold of them until I've got the new bits. So thanks for watching. As you see earlier, I got the car off the jig, which is good. So we can start looking at some bodywork soon. But next job I'm going to do is I've got to get another radius arm, rebuild that for the driver's side, fit that, then I can look at getting some wheels on the back end of the car. Then once there's wheels on the back of the car, it'll be a bit more easy to wheel in and out and move about. I've got to grab the front subframe out of the shed at some point. I've got the mounts in this box for it, so I'm going to get that mounted so I can start looking at fitting me fiberglass front end and see how that looks. So that's the plan at the moment, and then I can continue when I've got some more primer. I need to do a bit of shopping and continue cleaning up the inside. I've started cleaning it up and primed a bit of it. Once I've done all of the inside, as long as I don't find any more rusty bits, I can look at getting it seam sealed, get it all primed, and then I'm going to paint the inside with some more of the Gravitex that I used underneath. Once the inside's complete, I can start painting the outside, or at least working towards painting the outside. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again in the next one.
Coffee.